Now we move to boat pose. So turn yourself sideways on your chair. We've had a few different options with boat pose. You can do it with one hand on the back of your chair and the other hand out in front of you, or you can try it with both hands out in front of you. Sitting up nice and tall, you inhale. As you exhale with a nice flat back, you begin to lean back until you feel your core engage. Your gaze is where the ceiling meets the wall. And then you inhale as you bring yourself back up. Let's do that one more time. We exhale as we begin to fold ourselves back, and we inhale as we come up. So there's a couple of options to add into it, and you don't have to do any of them. You find which pose works for you. This time when you come back, lifting one foot, either one, it doesn't matter, so that there's a little less stability in your feet. So we inhale, as we exhale, just bring yourself back. Tighten your core, pull in your navel. Inhale, come on up, put your foot down on the ground. Let's try the other foot. Inhale, and as you exhale, lift your foot and come back. Engage your core, and then come on up. I'm going to show you one more option in case you're watching this next week and you want to try something a little bit more. So it's again with lifting a foot. So take a nice deep breath in, lift one foot, begin to lean back, engage the core. And as you come up now, you're going to inhale, put your foot down. You can raise your arms up over your head. Now we're going to lift the other foot. So exhale, lift your foot, bring your arms back down, lean back, tighten your core, pull in the navel. Inhale, the foot comes down, the arms come up. One more time to each side, whichever version you would like to do. Leaning back, foot comes up, the arms come forward. Inhale, arms up, foot on the ground. Last time, other foot. Pick up your foot, arms come down. Just lean back, looking up at the ceiling. And foot down, arms come up. And let that out. Oh boy, okay. So definitely a couple of cat cows here because that was a lot of work for the lower back.